Think about the last time you fixed a real issue. You questioned, collaborated, and tried things. That's the heart of problem-based learning. Today, we'll see how problem-based learning turns everyday challenges into deeper understanding and job-ready skills. Learners start with a realistic problem, discover what they need to know, and build knowledge alongside teamwork and critical thinking. The defining features of problem-based learning include real-world scenarios, collaboration, guidance from a facilitator, and plenty of self-directed research that fuels discovery. Here's how it works. First, learners are introduced to a problem. Next, they identify what they know and what they need to find out. Then, through research and exploration, they propose solutions, test them, and finally reflect on what worked and what can improve. This method has powerful benefits. It sharpens critical thinking, strengthens teamwork, improves retention of concepts, and most importantly, prepares learners for the real world. That's why problem-based learning is widely applied in fields like medicine, engineering, business, and education. Anywhere learning must translate directly into practice. If you want learning that sticks and transfers, start with a real problem, guide with purpose, and close with reflection. That's problem-based learning.